Hi, Melissa here with Epson Label Works. Today I'm with the Z5000PX and I'm going to show you how easy it is to change your printer's cutter setting using the Label Editor PC software. So let's get started. Now I've already launched the Label Editor software and have my label created, so let's go ahead and hit print and then we'll dive into that setting. Now here on the preprint screen, let's tap on that settings gear icon. This is going to open your printer's properties. Let's click on the Options tab. This is where you're going to find your cutter settings. You'll notice there's a drop down for both the full cut and the half cut option. Under the full cut option, we have cut each label, cut after job, or don't cut. And under the half cut, we have the option to half cut or not half cut. Now, if you have the LWPX 400 or the LWC 410PX, those printers don't have the half cut option, so it'll simply be grayed out. Once you have the settings exactly as you want them, tap OK and then proceed to print your labels. And that's how easy it is to change the cutter settings using the Label Editor PC software. If you have questions about your printer or want to talk about your labeling needs, give us a call. We would love to talk with you. Thanks again and happy labeling!